You
doesn't
fucking
matter
him
how
up.
strong
He's
you are,
literally
he's gonna
teaching, but he's
react.
like just taking the
And that's
opportunity
what
to
you
beat
want.
this guy's
Does that make
ass.
sense?
But that
And
you gotta do it.
ride
You got.
that to your goal.
That's the only way to
Don't
show you that
just
it
sit
really
out here.
works.
I got a problem with this though.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
He's teaching this girl self-defense.
Well, he's teaching the whole class. It's teaching everybody.
But he's showing, he's got her as an example. He's showing her how to do it. The problem I have is when you're in a fucking fight, if somebody's attacking you, your brain doesn't work fast enough. I have a very doubtful feeling in my brain, and I could be wrong. I've never seen that guy in a fight. I'd have to see him in a fight, but I know, like, you don't think that fast. Like, he's set up, the guy's got his arm out, you know, and he's just showing and he's doing these things. But it's like when you're in if that dude was just balls out swinging on him, you know, say he was a boxer and he's coming at him like with jabs and fucking uppercuts and shit, you know what I mean? It's like you don't have the time to think, oh, middle of the arm, pop, you know, you know what I'm saying? Like all these pressure points.
I disagree.